Greetings, this is Gray Paladin, and I got a nice return package from Sabertrio here. Quick backstory. This is a Sabertrio Reaver. I first purchased this back in September of 2019. I had a defective CFX soundboard at the time. Anything prior to February 2020 may have had a few batches of bad motion sensor caps. I got lucky and got one of those bad boards. So I contacted Sabertrio, I sent it away. They replaced the soundboard. I think this was in November, maybe December. I think it was November. And they sent it back, and I got yet another defective motion sensor cap on that soundboard. So I held on to it for a while, and before I sent it back, that's when COVID-19 happened. And so all the restrictions, Sabertrio had closed their doors for a few months, and I wasn't able to do anything with the Saber. Once the restrictions lifted, I sent the Saber in right away. They replaced the soundboard, and I just got it back today. So I'm very much looking forward to opening this up and having a working Sabertrio Reaver, and finally I can do a proper review of the Saber and enjoy it, because it's been months since I've first received it and I haven't been able to use it or enjoy it. So let's crack it open and hopefully have, fingers crossed, a working lightsaber. This is a Neo Reaver, so it's got the Neo Pixel. And I'm, knock on wood, hopefully a fully functional Crystal Focus 10 soundboard. Alright. This is literally the third time I've unboxed this lightsaber. Only the second video that I have of it. Alright, cool. It's got my name written on there and everything. I work on and sell lightsabers, so I like to save the bubble wrapping and things. So when I sell a saber, I have all the proper stuff to wrap it up and send it safely to whoever the person is that purchases from me. Alright, hoping for the best here. There she is. Nice beauty. Again, this is the Neo Reaver. I got the red momentary activation switch. I got a gold CoverTech wheel, and it's the brushed aluminum. When I did the order, because I ordered this as soon as it was released, and they weren't offering the mirrored finish at the time, so I requested it after I made the order, but they weren't able to make that adjustment. So I got the brushed aluminum, but I would have preferred the mirrored finish. But this is still really nice. I like this. What's nice is each time I sent it in, Sabertrio told me to remove the battery. But each time they've given it, the last time they gave it back to me, it had an extra battery in there, so I kind of got an extra battery from them. But I see this time there is no battery in there. So I'll pause one quick moment, get a fresh battery, and pop it in here. All right, so got a fresh Sabertrio battery here, 18650 3120. And let's pop this in and hope that all is well. Positive to positive, negative to negative. All right. It's a good sign that we heard a boot sound. And here we go.
Primary crystal missing.
Ah. Blade plug. There we go. Okay, that's tightened in. Now, hopefully I have some swings. Oh, thank goodness.
Sound bank selection. Light. Exit menu. Light. Balance. Darkness. Vengeance. Kylo Ren.
This is General Kenobi.
Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Granny.
The Old Republic Crucible. The Old Republic Malign. Nightfall. Revolt.
Youngling. Audio player.
Cool.
Youngling.
Revolt. Night. The Old Republic. The Old Republic.
Granny.
Nebula.
Crystal focus.
This is General Kenobi. Kylo Ren.
Vengeance. Darkness.
Cool. Well, I have to say, it's about damn time. I got this in September of last year, and it's now almost the end of June, and I finally have a working Neo Reaver. This is nothing against Sabertrio. Honestly, Sabertrio was really awesome through all of this. They communicated with me. They gave me frequent updates of what was going on. Everything was covered under the warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. When I shipped it back to them, they reimbursed me the shipping cost. So they've been really great. And even though it was completely out of their control that I happened to get lucky and get two defective soundboards, now that that issue has been resolved as of February 2020, so all the Crystal Focus 10 soundboards haven't had any issues that I'm aware of. So I got this after that now, so the board should be good to go. And I can now finally do a review on this in another video. It's unfortunate because I was one of the first people to get this saber, and now I'm one of the last to do a review. But anyway, I'll put a little of the Grey Paladin touch on the review of this saber, and you can catch that in my next video. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you Sabertrio for taking such good care of your customers. Again, class act all the way. Great company to deal with, and quality lightsabers. Thank you very much for watching, and may the Force be with you.